Na-try ko na yan. Na-try na natin yan. Hi guys! Welcome back to our vlog.
My name is Abby.
And my name again is Mommy Jen. Today we're gonna make dalgona
coffee.
Look there, dalgona
Coffee.
coffee. Okay, we have here, what's this one? White
sugar.
white sugar, guys. Okay.
Instant coffee.
What's this?
Instant coffee.
Instant coffee. This one.
Milk.
And also
Hot water.
hot water. Okay? Let's start, Adi.
Let's start. Yeah.
Let's start. Okay.
First,
First you need to get 2 tablespoons of instant coffee.
Okay.
Wait, make sure that
Shonak.
only 2. Wait, anak, tutulungan kita, wait. Okay, guys, ang gulo nito, ang gulo ng vlog na to. Okay. Wait.
Mommy.
Okay. 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. Go put it there, Adi. One more, Adi.
Okay.
Not too much, Adi. Not too much. Wait, not too much, Adi. Okay, ang gulo ng vlog namin. Okay.
What's next?
Okay, next is 2 tablespoons of sugar. Punuin mo yan. Puno. Full. Okay, more. Okay, I will help you. Okay. One more, Adi. Put. Okay, that's all. And
Shake it.
no, not shake it.
Disturb it.
This one. Put 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. This one, go. Okay. One more. Scoop.
Huge.
I think one more. Because kulang yan. Go. Okay.
No, here.
It's okay. And then, Adi, what you gonna do? This is a
Mix it.
mixer. Oh, mix it.
Okay.
Start mixing, Adi. You know, we need slowly lang, bebe, slowly. Are you happy?
Wait.
Look here. Slowly lang, bebe. We mix this until it become frothy and it change color. This one is color black. It will become a light brown. Go! Mix it, Adi.
Okay. It's turning.
No, more.
It will
Yay!
become like brown. It will.
Until it become frothy. Okay? Saka kapag ka nag-iba na yung color.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I have a
Guys, siguro ito yung pinakamagulong vlog ng Dalgona Coffee. Or, na-tired?
No.
Good job, Adi. More.
Okay.
Look, guys. Wait. I will clean this one and I will put here. So that's why it's so easy for you.
Oh, no.
Yay! I na-achieve naman namin yung
It's
Yay!
it's like slime. Play slime. It's like slime.
Yay! Na-achieve natin, Adi, yung consistency!
Can I try?
Yay!
Can I try?
Nice it. What? Tastes like? Good. Wait. And then next, Adi? What is next?
We'll put the ice in the glass.
Okay, put it.
Ah! Ah!
This one, guys. I think one more ice.
Yay!
There's only one. Only this one. Okay, guys. I think it's okay. Look, guys. And then we will put milk until here, over here lang. Okay? Okay? Okay, put.
Shake it.
Wala kaming ibang milk, kundi itong unsweetened coconut milk. Pero, italagay ko naman okay lang eh. Kasi gatas din naman ito.
I don't open.
Okay, like this, guys. Slowly.
That's why you need
Only here.
That's why you need adult for help.
Okay, you need adult. More, Adi. Okay, more. 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 That's enough. I think it's enough. More. Okay, enough. Guys, that's all. And then
That's
we will
my
put this
glass.
one. Wait!
Oh.
We will put this one.
Oh.
Yung minix nating coffee and sugar.
Maybe I'll put it.
Okay. So, I'll put slowly.
Wow.
Don't mix. Wait. Okay, guys.
Give me. I'll do
Okay,
it.
go do it. Do it, Adi. Wait. Don't mix. Slowly, Adi. Slowly. Yan, guys. Si Adi. Yay, Adi. Nice.
Put straw.
Wow. Tapos na yung aming Dalgona Coffee. Okay, I will taste, okay? Di, yummy? Yummy?
Mommy.
It's so yummy. Go. Wow, what's the taste? Huh?
Good.
Good. It's so yummy. Perfect. Go. Guys, sana nagustuhan niyo yung magulong paggawa namin ng dalgona. Pero same siya ng lasa nung natikman ko na ito dati. At same yung lasa niya. Okay, Adi? Let's go bye na.
Goodbye. Wait. Don't forget to subscribe,
Don't forget to like, share, and
and ring the bell
Okay.
and subscribe
to our channel.
Search Jen Clemino
Yes.
and watch our vlog.
Yes.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.